Hello friends, welcome to Amigo Arts tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to draw a nose. So to draw a nose, we need a circle. So basically we'll just make a round here. We'll make a proper circle. And then we'll make two overlapping symmetric circles in each corner of this main circle. So this is our ball of the nose and this too represents our nostrils. So this is the basics of any nose. So different people have different types of noses. So some people have a long nose, some people have a broad nose. So it depends, like if someone is having a shape of this, so that you can make an oval. And then similar nostrils on the side. One here and one on this side. So people all have different types of noses. It depends like what kind of noses, what person is having the noses. So you are making that kind of nose. So this is basically the main structure. So once you have completed this structure, next is all about shading. So we'll just make sure you are doing all this thing lightly because this is all your rough work. So you have to erase it later. So start darkening this side of this circle, this first circle and this second circle. Then this main ball just touch the below part of the circle. To the side, just make like this, as if it's an inverted C. And this part should not be connecting to this line, it's just a bit converging here. So yes, so once this part is ready, you just erase the extra lines which you have just made, like the circles, lines and all. Just erase it. Skip this part of it, don't erase this line and this line, it will be helpful for your further future shading purpose. So now it's all about adding values through your shading. So first just make very light line in this part. Never ever make a circle and make it round, just shade it. Shade it dark to light even in the bottom part of this nose. Do not make a circle, just shade it. Shade in each part of this nose. Remember the ball section which you have it here, just make it darker. So now it's all about shading, like it depends upon the light. If the source of light is completely coming on this person's nose, so it should not be, the shading part will not be there itself. But if it's coming from this direction and that direction, the shading will be changing accordingly. make sure you make the cupid's bow just down this part of the nose. But please make sure that don't make it much darker, otherwise it will look like a moustache until and unless you have your moustache. So let's start shading. So use your finger basically to smudge or blend. You can use any blending stuff in whatever you have. So just shade with me accordingly. So here is your nose ready. Keep drawing, so we'll meet you in the next class. Till then, bye bye.